This is the withdrawal proof of USDT from a legit Telegram bot. I just got it. If you want to know how I did it, watch the video to the end. Hello guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you a legit Telegram bot that gave me a free USDT in Faucetpay account for free. All you just have to do is sign up. The link will be in the description. On this bot you can earn up to 5 USD just doing tasks. You can earn bonus every hour. As you can see, I've already claimed bonus before. I can claim it again. You can also invite friends. Once you invite friends, you earn 0.02 USDT per friend. So just imagine if you invite 50 friends, that means cool money for you. You don't even have to do any task. All you just have to do is invite your friends, and once you do the task, you fill in the captcha in order to earn the rewards. As you can see right there, I'm going to be showing you the withdrawal proof in the site, and I'm going to be withdrawing live so you can know that it's real. I'm going to do one of the tasks. Okay, you click on sign up. Once you click on sign up, the balance will be added. Okay, so now I'm gonna be showing you guys a legit withdrawal proof, a live one. I'm going to be withdrawing live straight to my Faucetpay account so that you guys can know that this is a legit USDT bot. Okay, as you can see, these are some of the tasks on the site. Okay, so I'm going to click on withdraw right now. It says please send your email address of Faucetpay. I'm going to provide my Faucetpay email address. Okay, type it in. Once I provide my Faucetpay email account, okay, I send it to the bot. Okay, then I input the amount of USDT I want to withdraw. Okay, I have to look for my balance. Okay, so I'm gonna enter 0.02 USDT. Okay, as you can see, it says withdrawal success. How do we know if it's a legit or scam? So right now I'm gonna go back to my Faucetpay account and check if it's legit or not. Okay, I'm gonna open the Faucetpay account. Okay, I've clicked on Faucetpay. I've opened it. Okay, you have to wait for a little bit. Okay, click on user dashboard, and we're here. So as you can see, yeah, my USDT balance has increased. Yeah, it has reflected, it has entered. This is a legit Telegram bot, as you can see. So I'm going to scroll down right now and show you guys the proof. As you can see, there's it right there, auto referral, 5th January 2023. I just received it. Yeah, this was my first withdrawal. I got this yesterday. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys the first withdrawal. This is it. This is the first withdrawal. Okay, my first withdrawal was 0.08. right, it says withdrawal success. So let's go to Faucetpay and check it. Okay, as you can see, yeah, that's it on Faucetpay. That was my first withdrawal. That's it right there. It says 4th of January. That was yesterday. Okay, the new one, the one I just got right now, is the one on top. It says 5th January. Yeah, 0.02. That's it right there. As you can see, it just entered, which means that this bot is a legit Telegram bot. So guys, don't just watch this video. Please give me a like if you enjoyed the video, and if you earned from it, give this video a like. Make sure to click that subscribe button, turn on notifications, and stay informed so I can get new updates from my site. And the link to my Telegram group will be in the description box. Please check it out. And the link to the bot will also be in the description box. Please check it out. Make sure to comment on this video. I like you all. Thanks for watching.